Our solar system is a family of worlds orbiting the Sun.
The Sun is a massive star powering all the planets.
Its surface boils with searing heat and plasma.
Solar eruptions can reach millions of kilometers.
Mercury is a tiny world, scorched by the Sun.
Its surface is marked by ancient craters.
Venus is hotter than any planet, even Mercury.
Its atmosphere traps heat like a cosmic furnace.
Earth is the only known home to life.
Our moon stabilizes Earth and shapes our tides. Weather and winds constantly sculpt our world.
Mars is a cold desert with mysteries waiting. Its valleys and volcanoes dwarf those on Earth.
Robots explore Mars, searching for signs of life. A belt of ancient rocks orbits between Mars and Jupiter. These rocks are leftovers from the solar system's birth. Jupiter is the giant among planets.
Its great red spot is a storm older than mankind.
Jupiter's magnetic field is the biggest in the solar system.
Io is the most volcanic world ever discovered.
Europa may hide a vast ocean beneath its ice. Ganymede is the largest moon, even bigger than Mercury.
Callisto carries scars from billions of years. Saturn is famous for its breathtaking rings. Its lakes are filled not with water, but liquid methane. Enceladus releases water plumes from a hidden ocean. Uranus spins on its side like a rolling ball. Even Uranus has rings, though faint and delicate.
Neptune is a windy, icy world far from the Sun.
Its moon Triton sends geysers into the sky.
Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt.
Pluto is a small, frozen dwarf planet.
Its icy heart shines across the darkness. Comets glow when sunlight vaporizes their ice. Their tails always point away from the sun.
The Oort cloud surrounds our system like a shell.
The sun blows a stream of charged particles everywhere.
This wind forms a huge bubble around the solar system.
Each planet follows its own perfect orbit around the sun.
The solar system is always dancing through space.
Meteors burn brilliantly when they hit our atmosphere. Meteor showers come from dust left behind by comets.
A solar eclipse happens when the moon perfectly aligns with the sun.
The rings are made of ice, dust, and shattered moons.
Titan is the only moon with a thick atmosphere.
A lunar eclipse occurs when Earth blocks sunlight from the moon.
Earth's magnetic field protects us from harmful solar particles.
Auroras shine when solar energy hits our atmosphere.
Strong solar storms can disrupt satellites and communication.
In the beginning, planets formed through violent impacts.
From a distance, our solar system becomes just a tiny island in space.
In the vast universe, our world is only one small home among billions.